When designing your outdoor yard, choosing the right wall material plays a big role in both appearance and long-term durability. Two common options are wood walls and stone walls. Wood walls offer a warm, natural look that blends well with gardens and landscapes. They are usually more affordable and quicker to install, making them a good option for decorative borders or smaller retaining areas. However, wood requires more maintenance over time and can be affected by moisture, insects, rot, and warping, which may shorten its lifespan. Now let's look at stone walls. Stone walls are known for their strength, durability, and timeless appearance. They can handle heavy soil pressure, making them ideal for retaining walls and sloped yards. They also resist weather damage, pests, and decay, and require very little maintenance over the years. The downside is that they are more expensive and take more time and skill to install properly. In the end, wood is great for a budget-friendly, natural look, while stone is better for long-term durability and a more permanent landscape feature that adds lasting value to your property.